In this lecture, we will see two options. They are connect with and drop on empty. Using the connect with option, you can allow items from one list to move to another. Here to illustrate this, I have created two field sets. If you are familiar with HTML, you might be knowing this field set. It is used to group items together. Here you could see some text like title. Here I have specified fruits and here vegetables. If you look into this list of items, you could see that the fruits list does not contain only fruits. This list also contains names of vegetables. So what we want the user to do is, these shuffled items should be grouped together. That is, this fruits list should only contain fruits names and this vegetables list should contain only vegetables. So I will show you the field set. I have specified field set for the fruits with ID left and the legend is fruits, which means this title. Then I have added an ordered list with ID fruits and I have added some items. As I have already mentioned, they are not only fruits names but also includes vegetables names. So we can consider this like a game, right? We are giving shuffled items and we want the user to group items correctly. So here mango, carrot, banana, tomato, strawberry, like that. And I have also added another field set with ID right. That is this particular field set. And for it, I have specified the legend to be vegetables and the ordered list with ID vegetables. And I have added some names of vegetables and fruits mixed. I have also styled the ordered list. I have specified list style type to be none. Then I have specified width and height for the ordered list. And for the list items, I have specified height, width, border. That is why you are seeing a black border for each item. Then margin specified to be 2px. That is why you are seeing a small gap between the items. Then font size is 20px and text align is center. And I have added background color for the fruits and vegetables items. That is why they are appearing in two different colors, pink and silver. Then I have also specified field set to float left. That is why they are appearing next to each other. Otherwise, one will appear below the other. So I have specified float to be left and I have also added width and height for the field set and border to be 5px solid black. So this is the setup. And I have also made these two items sortable. So what does it mean? We can actually sort the items within this list and also within this list. But what we want now, we want to actually connect these two sortables so that the user can group the items together. That is, the user can move all the vegetables in this list to this list and also move all the fruits from this list to this list. So we can use the option connect with to connect with other sortable. So let me specify connect with here. Connect with W needs to be capital and I have to connect the fruits list with the vegetables list, right? So I have to specify hash vegetables. So will this allow the user to move the items in the fruits list to vegetable and vice versa? No, here when we specify connect with vegetables, this is actually one way, that is, items in the fruits list can be moved to vegetables, but the items in the vegetables list cannot be moved to fruits. Let's see that. Let me refresh. Let me try to move carrot to the vegetables list. Yes, it is allowed. And as you could see here, the color is also changed. Okay. Now I want to move grapes to the fruits list. Let's try to do that. See, I'm not able to move it because we haven't specified connect with for the vegetables list. So this is a one-way operation. If we want to do both way, we need to specify connect with for both the lists. So let me specify here and here it should be fruits. So save, refresh. Now let's play the game. I want to move all the vegetables in this list to this section. So mango is a fruit, carrot is a vegetable, then banana, fruit, tomato, vegetable, then strawberry, fruit, broccoli, vegetable, orange, fruit. Then from here I want to move all the fruits in this list to this section. So cherry, fruit, then apple, fruit, then grapes, fruit. So we have all the fruits now here in this section and all the vegetables in this section. And once you complete, we can actually display some message like, yes, you have completed the game or something like that. So this is actually implemented using the connect with option. Now there is one more option you can learn along with this connect with, and that is drop on empty. So if you specify the value of drop on empty for a particular list, the items from that list will not be allowed to put to an empty list. So suppose I specify here drop on empty. Here O and E need to be in capitals and the value should be false. Now what will happen? You cannot put the values from the fruits list to an empty list. So first let me make this fruits list empty. Okay, so I am dragging and dropping all the items, and now let me try to put this one into this one. So it will be allowed because we haven't specified drop on empty for this list. We have specified it for the fruits list. So let me try to put the cherry here. See, I am able to put it into the fruits list. Again mango, yes. Orange, yes. Whatever elements I can put it here. But suppose I empty the vegetables list by dragging and dropping all the items into the fruits list. Okay. Now if I try to move brinjal to the vegetables list, see, it is moving back because we have specified the value of drop on empty to be false for the fruits list, which means items from the fruits list will not be moved to an empty list. On the other hand, if I remove this, we can put the items into an empty or non-empty list. Let's see that. Refresh. Let me make the vegetables list empty again to try this. Okay, and let me try to move carrot to the vegetables list. Yes, it is moved because now the drop on empty is true because the value of drop on empty is true by default. So if you set the value of drop on empty to be false, for which list you have specified it, you cannot move the items from that list to an empty list. So let's play the game again and stop. Let me move carrot, tomato, broccoli. Okay, now it contains only fruits. Now cherry, then apple and grapes. So we have implemented this using the connect with option. The connect with option is used to connect between sortable items. So it is easy to implement a game like this using this one, right? Instead of just specifying list items, you can also add some images so that it will be more realistic. So in this lecture, we have seen two options. They are connect with and drop on empty.